Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 69 of my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge, where we try to max out the TFSA in the first 3 years of investing. As you can see, the portfolio is up to $48,531 or $1,500 or 3.26% all time. In the past day, the markets or the graphs haven't showed up. Oh, there they go. I'm up actually $118. In the past week, we are up $900. In the past month, we're down $342. Past 3 months, up $1,933 in the past year. Finally, we're back up $110 or 0.23%. So portfolio's grown quite a bit in the past week or so. I think this is kind of a transitionary period of, it's been a bearish market for the past definitely couple of months. So we're starting to kind of climb into the bullish market. So if you haven't already, I would say now is one of the best times to start investing and put some money into the market, because hopefully this bearish or the bullish market will continue moving forward. But again, a lot of people have been asking me is, how much did you start with investing and when's a good time to start? I'd say as soon as you can start investing, the better. It's great to have your money in long term, and the beautiful thing about dividend income is when you have your money into the market, you're going to start receiving that dividend income earlier. So if I wait another 6 months to invest, I'm going to miss out on those 6 months of that dividend income that I could have accrued. Anyways, to answer a lot of your questions, I know I've answered this question a couple of times, but if you go back, I actually have a playlist to when I started investing, and it's part of my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge when I just began. I think my account started with about $2,000 in it, but I started with $100 every 2 weeks, I believe, and then went down to $100 in a week, and now we're up to about $1,000 a week in contribution room to our TFSA. So it's starting small, kind of learning how to use the market and how everything works, and then slowly increasing that contribution room. So without further ado, I'll tell you guys what stocks I'm going to be buying today. So if we scroll down to the portfolio, we'll go to total value so you can see how many shares of each company I have. This is a company I haven't invested in a while, and it's doing fairly well. It's CNR, or Canadian National Railways. There's only a couple railway companies in Canada, and this is one of the best in my opinion. We're just going to be buying one share of this into our TFSA just because it's a fairly expensive share price at $160. The dividend on this company is not great, but because it's one of the only companies in its industry, it has gone up a decent amount over time, and will continue to do so moving forward. So the second company we're going to be investing in today is TELUS. Again, another telecommunication company. I'm highly invested into BCE or Bell Canada, as well as TELUS, and today we're going to be investing into TELUS. As you can see, the share price is a little bit down, so it's a great time to pick up a couple shares. I'm going to buy about 5 shares of TELUS into our TFSA, coming into about $134. And the last stock I'm going to be buying today is one of the main ETFs that we continue to dollar cost average. It has actually been doing fairly well, but I want both of my ETFs to be at around the same amount, that being VDY and VFV. So we're going to be investing into VFV today, which follows the S&P 500. Another quick point with this stock specifically is it's not an American stock. Yes, it follows an American company with the S&P 500, but it is traded under the TSX in Canadian dollars, so you don't have to worry about any withholding fees for your dividends, which is interesting, and a lot of people have that question as well. So without further ado, I'm going to be buying about 7 shares of this into the TFSA. Okay, so we can't afford 7, unfortunately, so I'm going to have to go with 6 shares of VFV into the TFSA, and if we have a little bit left over, I might buy it when the other stocks go through. So just to kind of recap for you guys, the portfolio is up to $48,553. Today we invested into CNR, TELUS, and VFV. Just to kind of give you guys a weekly breakdown of the dividends that I've earned from the portfolio. Total dividends earned in the portfolio are $860.87. and the dividends I've earned this year, so 2023, have gone up to $286.12. So that's about everything that we'll do today. Tune in next week. I might actually have to, I know I keep mentioning this, but I might have to decrease my contribution limit a little bit the next couple weeks or so, just with tax season there and everything. And I recommend you guys do the same. Don't be over leveraged in stocks. Only contribute what you can, and we'll be doing maybe $500 next week. If we can get away with 1,000, we'll do so as needed, but that's all we'll do for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, go follow me on Blossom Social to see my trades in real time. Go follow me on Instagram, as well as what's that third TikTok. I don't know why I forgot that. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and I will see you guys next week. Have a good one, and talk to you guys soon.